Loud and clear pa po ba? Hello? Okay, good. So we have the next is the bar standards of the maintenance and um, cleanliness. Okay. So sa bar area or sa bar natin or sa bar mismo, sa mismong establishment is may mga designated area. So number one dyan is bar. The bar is a place area where drinks are mixed, serve customer and fill serve orders. It is a place for relaxation. It is also a control center in which record is kept of the stocks on hand and drinks poured and their sales value. Okay. Ang bar ay yun po yung mismong establishment at saka yung nandun sa loob which is the counter. That is a bar. A cocktail bar is recognized as a rendezvous and meeting place with its high standard of service and ability of the bartender to provide almost any drinks or mixed drinks the guests may desire. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, the cocktail bar is yun yung mismong meeting place with its high standard of service. Ayan. Kasi, tawag dito, doon po ginagawa yung preferred drinks ng customer. Kasi, mag-o-order ka ng drinks. For example, mag-o-order ka ng margarita. Ayan. Or mag-order ka ng Singapore Sling or any tawag dito or any cocktails na gusto mong i-order. So, doon po sa cocktail bar yon. The cocktail bar are governed by the certain legal requirements regarding space, storage, and sanitation. Ayan, so may mga legal requirements po such as the licensing, how to operate, the licensing to sell the liquor, 'di ba? Kasi 'di ba dito sa Philippines bawal ang alak sa mga minors. Pero 'di ba? Nakakalusot pa din, 'di ba? So yun po. So sa mga minors bawal ang alak. So that is the legal requirements. Ayan, hindi lang sa space, sa storage at saka sanitation, kundi sa mismong social obligation din natin as a seller or distributor ng liquor. Okay. The space maintenance and cleanliness should be sufficient room behind the bar counter for the bartender to move about. His bar is busy. So, dapat po yung area natin is dapat malaya tayo nakakaikot at lahat dapat is accessible. So, this ideal distance between the back bar and the bar counter and the cupboard is 100 to 125 cm or 3 to 4 feet. Ayan. So, yung pagitan po spacing or space po nung back bar which is the bar cabinet, which is yung bar cabinet or back bar, yun yung pinaka-place or location for the display ng mga products or a place of displaying products. Ayan, yung mga liquor doon, yung may, 'di ba, yung cabinet sa likuran ng bartender, that is back bar tawag diyan. So yung kanyang space between the cupboard which is yung pouring area mo is 3 to 4 feet. Yung kanyang tawag dito para malaya kang makakagalaw, makakakilos dun sa mismong loob ng bar. The space for the bartender to work and move should be always be spotless, clean, and free of clutter. So, yung area lang po na yon, yan lang po ang iyong i-maintain as a bartender. Okay? So, napakaliit no area, di ba? 3 to 4 feet. 'Di ba? Yun lang yung ating tawag dito. Yan lang yung ating area doon na i-clean, i-maintain yung cleanliness and orderliness. Ayan. So the service area maintenance and cleanliness. Ayan, the service area should always be will be vary according to the type of business that the bar is expected to attract. It should be the firm horizontal surface for the preparing drinks and cutting fruits. This area is busy area but its cleanliness should always be maintained. The surfaces should be kept dry, and spotless. Okay, the service area, maintenance, and cleanliness. So, anong area po yun? Yun yung pouring area natin, which is doon po sa pinaka-underbar. Doon po ginagawa yung drinks, the pouring area, magpe-prepare ng inyong mga garnishes at kung ano-ano pang ipe-prepare for the ingredients ng ating cocktails or drinks is yun po yung ating i-maintain din. So, should be kept dry and spotless. So, hindi po dapat naglalawa yung ating area kasi syempre 'di ba hindi natin maiwasan minsan sa kakamadali natin sa pagtimpla, 'di ba? Alalahanin niyo po, if ever po na magulo po yung underbar, nakikita po yun sa salamin doon sa likuran ng underbar, which is sa cabinet, 'di ba? Nakikita niyo bakit may salamin kaya doon? Bakit kaya may salamin? Kaya po may salamin po yung ating back bar, which is the pinakalikuran ng ating bartender, para nagre-reflect at nakikita, nami-mirror doon sa mismong guest kung anong pinaggagawa nyo doon sa mismong bar counter or doon sa pinaka pouring station, kasi baka mamaya 'di ba nilalagyan nyo ng lason yung inumin, 'di ba? So nakikita yon ng mga client ninyo or the guest which is nandun nakaharap sa inyo sa bar counter. Okay. The service, the washing area, maintenance, and cleanliness. Ayan. All bars should have the least 2 sinks. Okay. Dalawa dapat yung sink, pero yung standard po talaga dyan is 3 po dapat yan. So, the wash sink and the ice sink. Ayan. The proper plumbing must be ensured to facilitate the drainage system of the sink. All sinks should be stainless steel to be made more durable. Ibig sabihin, stainless dapat yung ating sink doon. So, may lababo dapat dun sa mismong bar counter or dun sa pinaka-underbar, which is dalawa po dapat na naka-dalawang compartment. So, the ice at saka dun sa wash sink. Ayan. So, the flooring area is best material for flooring is one of the easily mop and sponge dry, and it is slip resistant as possible. So, yung ibang mga bar is mayroon po talagang rubberized floor na nilalagay. Minsan naman, mayroon talaga siyang parang plastic na para anti-slip or para hindi ka madulas if ever po na basa or mayroong naitapon doon sa mismong floor. So, ganun po kasi for the safety din nung mismong staff yung tinitingnan doon at ini-insure at saka ini-establish. Ayan. So, naririnig pa po ba ako? Okay, thank you. So, next is how to keep the cabinets and stockroom free from foul odor, insects, and rodents. Ano ba yung rodents? Yan po yung tawag dito. Yan po yung mga gumagapang na mga tawag dito. Tawag dito, mga nilalang, which is yung mga bubuwit at kung ano-ano pa, ipis. Ayan, yan yung mga insects and rodents. Kasi, syempre, kapag hindi po tawag dito, sabi nga nila, pag hindi po malinis sa isang lugar, iniipis at dinadaga. So, yun po yung ating batayan. Kapag hindi po malinis, may daga at may ipis. So, yun po yung kapag may ipis at daga, madumi po yung area. So, you have to clean it. So, the refrigerator, freezer maintenance. Ayan. So, alam naman siguro natin kung paano linisan ang freezer natin or yung ating mga refrigerator. The storage cabinet and stockroom shelves. The storage cabinets and shelves in the stock room or storeroom contains ample reserve stocks. They are located adjacent to the bar. It is important that the sufficient store space is available to the house or the stock required for the daily business. Maintenance of the cleanliness of this storage is very important. This should be free from insects. Ayan. So, ang nilalagay lang naman natin sa ating storage area is yung mga liquor po na stocks natin. So kasi may buffer stocks tayo. For example, ang ating number of tequila bottles or tequila stocks is nasa 100 per day. For example lang and then 100 or 50 bottles per day. So yun po yung palagi nating stock sa loob ng ating stock room. Kasi yun po yung ating tawag dito, mini-maintain na stocks every day. So sa bawat araw kasi mayroon po tayong stocks yan na mini-maintain. So, kunwari, nabawasan na naman doon, replenish ka ulit. Replenish. Ayan. So, ganun po yung